with General Bajwa about, needing continuity of policy. So that it was talked about by the government. The DGISI has just gotten an extension or is getting an extension. Why does he need an extension?
So first of all, you try to understand the point on continuity. Any system prefers and supports the idea of continuity. That's why there is an idea of continuity of elections in democracy. Otherwise, you could have said that, oh, let's have elections once in a decade or twice in a decade, or let's say in 4 decades, once let's have an election. But why do you have periodically elections in a democracy? Because you want to have a continuation of the process. And for you, the continuation of that process is important, so that idea or practice or brand gets entrenched. So in that context, at times in many institutions, you do feel, or the political dispensation feels, that some individual has to continue for any security benefit or otherwise, and they've got the discretion to do that. There is nothing unusual and abnormal about it.
What has your relationship been like with the military?
We've got excellent working relationship. All the challenges of the government, we deliberate over them, and wherever we feel there is an institutional input required from that side, we have an open communication channel with them, and we receive a lot of honest input from that, and not just input from that, we receive coordination and cooperation in the enforcement part also. Look at the spree against the smuggling and the Afghan transit trade management. Actually, when we hit the illegal currency trade, it gives us a positive environment for the exchange rates. We didn't do any micro or macroeconomic interventions which has affected those rates. It was all the administrative measures against the smuggling which decreased the demand for illegal currency, and that's how the good results came. So it was all in coordination and cooperation with the military institution.